Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this channel. For today's video, I'm gonna teach you important steps on how to fix your start menu or your Windows icon in your computer, okay? So let's start the process by pressing key Alt and Delete together. Again, Control Alt and Delete together to open Task Manager. So once you're being redirected to this task manager, here in the processes, you need to locate your task manager, okay, or your Windows Explorer. Just simply click that, then do a right click, and then select End Tasks to reset, okay? So once done, you need to reset your computer. And once you reopen your computer, if it is working now, then this first step is for you. But let's say that it's still not working, then let's proceed to the second step, which is to go to run new task. And then here you need to type for CMD and then mark this check and then click on OK. Here it will run a new window. All you have to do here is you need to type SFC space / scan now and then click on enter to continue. This will begin to scan your device. So once done, your system will begin to scan your computer and you just have to wait the verification to be completed. Okay? Then after that, you need to restart your computer again. Then if it is working, then that's good for you. But still, if it is not, then let's proceed to the third and last step, which is to click on run new task again, then do system reset. Just simply type system reset and then click on create, then OK. Then here it will allow you to choose an option, keep my files or remove everything. So it's up to you. If you keep your files, then your apps and settings will remain in your computer, or if you remove everything, then it will remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. Then once done, you need to click that and then just restart your computer, and once you restart your computer, your Windows will work again. Trust me. Okay? So hopefully this video helps. If yes, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button to be updated into our upcoming videos. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day, everyone.